Hi everyone! I have posted recipes on chicken, beef, fish, and never on mutton, and so many of you had requested me to do so. So, on today's video, showing you all my recipe on mutton biryani. Here I've used no oil while cooking the mutton and only 3 tablespoons of ghee while putting it on dum. So, let's see how to make this. Keep watching. Firstly, preparing the marination for mutton. In a grinder, add a medium-sized ginger, 1 whole garlic, 6 to 7 green chillies. Crush them and keep aside. Now for the marination, you need to add some spices. Let me show you. 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of meat masala, any brand from store, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, whole spices, that's 3 cardamom, 5 cloves and a small piece of cinnamon stick. Now into a mixing bowl, add 1.5 kilos of mutton pieces. I have used mutton with bones. To this add the crushed ginger garlic green chili paste. Add coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, meat masala, black pepper powder and whole spices. Then goes in 1 cup of fried onions. The color of your biryani depends on how deeply you fry the onions. If you want darker color, fry the onions till dark brown, but make sure you don't burn the onions or else the masala will taste bitter. Then add enough coriander leaves chopped, say around 2 cups, and a handful of mint leaves. Add 3 or 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt, and then finally goes in 1.5 cup of curd. I had just beaten the curd with a whisk before adding it. Now mix very well till all the mutton pieces are well coated with all the spices and herbs. Try squeezing the mutton pieces so that the marination is well done. Cover it and marinate it overnight if possible. If not, at least for 1 hour. Keep in the refrigerator. Then taking 2.5 cups of Basmati rice. Wash it thoroughly and then soak for 30 minutes. While the rice is soaking, let's cook the mutton. Take out the mutton and add it into a pressure cooker. Just spread it evenly. Cover and cook in medium to high flame in the beginning. And after the first whistle, reduce to low and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And then off the flame. Now the rice have been soaking well, so draining it. Boil enough water. Now to this water, adding 5 to 6 cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves and a large piece of cinnamon stick, and add enough salt. Now add the rice. Meanwhile, the mutton masala is ready. Cook the rice till 3/4 of it is done. Here I have taken heavy bottom pressure cooker for putting on dum. If you are not using a non-stick vessel, add slices of potato at the bottom to avoid the rice sticking onto the bottom. Add a layer of rice first. Then goes in a layer of the mutton gravy. Again a thick layer of rice. Spread some chopped coriander and mint leaves and some fried onions. Then again the mutton masala. And then finally goes the rice. Sprinkle with chopped coriander and mint leaves and some fried onions. Then spread 3 tablespoons of ghee on top. Cover and do not put the weight on your cooker. For 2 minutes, keep it in medium to high flame. Then reduce the flame to very low for 25 to 30 minutes or until you see steam coming through. Then off the flame. And your delicious mutton biryani is ready. Serve hot. Have it with your favorite raita and pickle. So that's for today's video, friends. Hope you would try out and let me know your feedbacks. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, clicking the bell icon for notifications on my updates. See you with more videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.